is our pleasure to welcome you here to Atlanta. For the local time is 11:07. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has been brought to a complete stop at the gate and the seatbelt sign is turned off. Please remember to use caution when opening the overhead bins, as items do shift during our landing and could fall injuring you or someone around you. For those of you needing any assistance, transportation, baggage claim, or connecting flights, there will be an agent meeting this flight who will assist you.